Today at our Linens by the Sea showroom over our beautiful Shantung Latte linen, we are going to show some napkin folding with our crinkle line of napkins. This is a crinkle ivory. People always ask us, why don't we back our crinkle ivory? We don't, because the poly side would need to be pressed, and if we did that, the crinkle would flatten out and you would lose the full effect. As well, it would make this fabric become wider, maybe not so much longer, but become quite a bit wider, where it would be over the poly about 1 inch on each side, which does not look like a nice finished look. Therefore, we only recommend the crinkle napkins if you're trying to achieve a look and not if you're trying to think logistically about the napkin. So it's perfect for bridal showers, baby showers, and parties where maybe it's like a tea with nothing that's going to be really saucy or soupy.